heading out to explore another one or maybe two abandoned claims nearby. This one is about 6 miles from the house, or these two about 6 to 8 miles from the house, and we'll be exploring those. Probably going to take up the drone this time and maybe map one because I've been out to the one, only was out there for like 15 minutes because of the weather. Gonna head out again today and maybe we'll do a flight. Well, this is part of it. Typical creek riverbed thing out here. A lot of sand, sandy loam soil, basalt type cliffs. I don't see much of any indicators. Well, I'm on the far end of the claim. There's actually two claims stuck to each other out here. I didn't bring my detector down. I'm just prospecting the prospecting spot. So I just want everybody to know that I am no expert at all. I'm just beginning at this. I'm getting stir crazy at the house and around these parts. And so decided to go investigate some abandoned placer claims. So if you see anything or if you could advise me of anything, please do leave it in the comments. I appreciate it. I'm just a dude.
I'm a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude.
What? So I'm gonna launch the drone and see what we got around here. You know, might as well. I do have a drone company. So we'll see. I'm having fun in the woods, which is great. That's kind of what I'm wanting. So I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of reflection, but I'm mapping out this whole riverbed, creek bed, drainage, and it'll give me a 3D map. It'll give me a high definition photos that are all stitched together into one big map. And so I've always wanted to do this for a gold claim. I didn't do it in Mojave just because it wasn't my claim, or it was, I didn't know the land owner, relationship thing, and it was a club claim, so I didn't know if they would be sticklers about something like that. But here it is. Let's show you the flying at 170 feet, 198. It's terrain following, so if the train goes up, the drone goes up. So it's 170 feet from the ground, at the drone. All right, so I've got to scoot out of here now. There's a thunderstorm built up, or building up the wash a little bit, and well, I don't want to get caught in this little wash during a thunderstorm. That would be not good. So I would get cut off, and then this whole place floods really quickly. So I'm gonna scoot. I will see you later.